Embaixador Holanda para Timor-Leste kongratula Timor-Leste nebe sai membro permanente ASEAN no apoia kapasitasaun ba jornalista sira.
Embaixador Holanda para Timor-Leste Mark Ritsen nebe residente iha Jakarta, Indonesia, sexta-ne surumalu ho presidente República Geram Jorta ho dihametin relação diplomática entre país ruane. Diplomata holandês ne kongratula Estado Timor-Leste tamba adere ona ba organização regional ASEAN nebe se formaliza lorong ron resinen bulan Outubro iha Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
And I had a very good meeting with President Ramos Horta about the current developments here in Dili. I congratulated the President on the imminent accession of Timor-Leste to ASEAN. I think that's a big step and a very good development, not only for Timor-Leste, but also for the region. We talked about economic developments and trade, and we really want to work on enhancing trade between Southeast Asia, including Timor-Leste, and Europe, because both regions can really benefit from more trade between two regions.
Yang contorne discutimos con aba cooperação iha área jornalismo nian liu apoio formação ba jornalista sira.
One of the things we would like to work on more is to help journalists to get skills as independent journalists. So very soon we will invite a young journalist from Timor to come to the Netherlands for a study tour. The training will be in the Netherlands, but we will make sure that the selection is done in such a way that it will benefit more journalists here also. And at some point we can also look at getting experts in media profession to come to Timor also to do training here. This is maybe something for the future.
Antes ne Holanda mo serviço mútuo com UNESCO ho difo apoio financiamento ba Conselho Imprensa li husi projeto hametin mecanismo autorregulação media nian nebe foca ba treinamento ba jornalista sira ho disai independente no profissional. Agustin da Costa, Yemen.